This message from the universe will make you wealthy, and you only need to listen to it one time. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, I have opened up Crystal Love Store in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it's becoming the talk of the town. But I want you to enjoy the benefits of getting top grade crystals and essential oils that have been Reiki charged by me. Visit us at crystallove.store. That's crystallove.store. We're also on Instagram and TikTok. So high flyers, you can stop worrying right now about the size of your paycheck. You can stop worrying about the economy. You can stop worrying about the price of eggs or bread. You can stop worrying about money. You don't need to worry about money. That's all over. That's going to change this very day. Everything is going to change, and money is going to become your best friend. Sit back and prepare to listen to this powerful, life-changing message from the universe. As you listen to it, it will literally put you in alignment with wealth, prosperity, and abundance. The most important thing you can do right now is expect money to begin flowing into your life today. Now, the key to this money drawing message from the universe, a special message from the universe for you, is to listen to it in its entirety and to accept it as your new truth about money in your life. I personally have had several people listen to this message, and it has changed their life financially. So I want you to listen to it today. This is your opportunity. Now, high flyers, you only need to listen to it one time. But of course, like anything, the more you listen to it, the stronger it becomes. It's like an accumulative effect. So I suggest you listen to it as often as you feel you'd like to attract more money and abundance and wealth into your life. Today, your financial future shifts. Once and for all, the universe is now shifting your financial future, and you're going from wherever you're at to the top of the mountain. Whatever you believe about money, believe that today everything changes for you, and incredible wealth is now flowing into your life. Now, before we begin, I want you to take a moment and focus on one word. One word: certainty. 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 Say in your mind, I am absolutely certain that money and wealth and abundance and prosperity are now flowing easily into my life, and I am rich. It's absolutely important that you stay till the end of this video and listen to it closely and carefully and accept it as your new truth, and expect with certainty that the money you desire is already in your life. High flyers, expect with absolute certainty that money and wealth and abundance are flowing into your life it's like a river, an avalanche of abundance and cash and wealth. And now, listen to the message. If you want to close your eyes and take a deep breath before listening, it's a good idea to do so. Everything changes for you after you listen to this message from the universe. Dear seeker of infinite wealth, hear me now, for I speak directly to your soul. Before time was time, Before the stars were dust, I wove the threads of your existence with the essence of boundless prosperity. You were never meant to scrape, to beg, to wonder if abundance would ever find you. You were born from the fabric of limitless creation and wealth. True, magnificent, overflowing wealth has always been your birthright. And now, this very day, the veil has been lifted. The river has long awaited your arrival, and the money and abundance that you desire is rushing toward you. No longer shall you stand at the edge, watching, longing, believing it to be distant. No, from this moment forward, you are immersed in its current. It rushes around you, through you, within you. The flow of wealth is not separate from you. It is you. You are wealth. Prosperity and abundance bend to your will. Money answers to your call. It is a divine force, boundless and ever-giving, and it has been commanded to serve you. Listen to me well. The struggle is over. The doubts are illusions of the past, dissolving like a mist beneath the morning sun. From this day on, you walk a new path, one paved with riches, seen and unseen, one guided by an unseen hand that moves mountains and whispers miracles into your ears. The door that once seemed locked is now open before you, as if it were never closed at all. The wealth you have yearned for has always been circling you, waiting, waiting, waiting. And now it is here. Do you feel it? The shift? Is the surge of power rising in your chest, in your hands, in the space around you? That is the energy of abundance, weaving itself into every breath you take, every step you walk, as you align with it, as you accept it, as your truest nature. You become an unstoppable force of prosperity. Speak these words now, and let them echo through every layer of your being. I am the vessel through which the infinite wealth flows freely and endlessly into my life. I am no longer seeking abundance. I am abundance. I am the master of prosperity, and money bends to my will. I am divinely chosen to experience limitless wealth in this lifetime. I am always in the right place at the right time for financial miracles to unfold. I am vibrating at the highest frequency of wealth, success, and ease. I am overflowing with riches, and my wealth blesses the world. I am one with the divine current of abundance, and it rushes to me. I am open, ready, and fully receptive to the riches the universe is pouring into my life. I am the embodiment of wealth and prosperity. It is my divine birthright. Now take this message deep into your spirit. Hold it close. Let it become the foundation upon which your reality is built. The walls of lack and doubt have crumbled. The illusions of struggle are now over. You are walking in a new realm, a realm where golden light follows your every step, where opportunities bloom effortlessly in your path, where you are forever held in the loving embrace of endless wealth. There is no need to chase, no need to force, only receive, to claim, to rejoice in the knowing that the universe has spoken, and its decree is final. You are wealthy beyond measure. You are prosperous beyond imagination. You are chosen. You are the chosen recipient of divine riches, and they are yours now and forevermore. It is done with eternal love and cosmic certainty. I am the universe. Well, there you have it, high flyers. Everything changes for you today. Now, this next video will help you on your journey of being wealthy and prosperous and rich.